The best part is it comes with this conversion kit. And now what it does is it shoots golf balls.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Yeah, $200 is the best thing you could possibly buy is a soda can launcher.